जितेबाला बापा थिले से समय रे पॉलिटिक्स रे मु इनडायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्व थिली लाइक आई वाज डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ सोशल
वर्क yes.
समाज से बारे थिली चैरिटी इवेंट्स रे थिली बट when the all incident happened I was not here so basically mu Spain re thili Barcelona re I was doing a Spanish course my MBA was over so I was doing a language course there and I got a call that my father is no more and I have to come back जेतेबेले मु वापस आसिली my brother was there my mom was there and everybody told me that now you have to step up and then at that moment भाभी नथिली जे पॉलिटिक्स रे एंटर करबी मु जानि नथिली कि केमिति हबो लाइफ हाउ लाइफ विल बी बिकॉज जेतेबेले बापांकर आशीर्वाद थाए मुंड उपरे इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट being a girl child being the most लाडली child in the family I know आमे समस्त जानिचु जे जेतेबेले बापांको छाया थाए it's very different in life तो से समय रे किछि भाभी नथिली but you won't believe the love that I have got from the people and the amount of respect they have for me and for my family for my father is just मते एते आउरी मतलब भल लागिले एबे काम करिवा को now I give all my life to them and I love my people I love working for the people so I think jette भी नुआ generation रे झियो माने अछंती और पिला माने अछंती anyone from this generation I would like to say that you know like just keep doing it whatever you love no matter what is and politics is something it's not politics it's you know like it's work for the humanity you know मो बापा सब बेले कहउतले मैडम जे जते बेले आमे गोटे गरीब लोक पई काम करू ता मुहरु जो माने वर्डिंग बाहरे कि बहुत आशीर्वाद दोची मु तुमको दैट आशीर्वाद इज इक्वल टू द गॉड्स ब्लेसिंग because you are saving a life you are doing something for the mankind तो I think से जो वर्डिंग बाहर है जते बेले मु गाँ को जाए if I am helping a person if I am helping somebody कहा को जदि मी गोटे नॉर्मल सिंपल जिनस भी करी कि दिए दे से कि माँ तू भलरे था तो दैट वर्डिंग दैट कम्स फ्रॉम अ माँ कर जो वर्डिंग था I think that is from God's blessing
absolutely
so I am very blessed that I am having this blessing
दीपाली भाबुनांती आपण जे जदी गोटे कॉर्पोरेट एमबीए जेतु करिछन होय तो गोटे कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड रे आपण जॉब करि थांते बा निजर बिजनेस सेटअप करि थांते दैट वुड हैव बीन अ डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट लाइफ हे थांता 9 to 5 जॉब करले ऑफिस भीतर कलीग्स मानंग सहित काम करिले का सहित झगड़ा हला का से कोठी आपण प्रमोशंस हला दैट लाइफ पूरा डिफरेंट थाए किंतु एते यंग एज रे जते पॉलिटिक्स रे पाद रखिबार सुजोग मिलला कोट ना कोठी एज अ गर्ल चाइल्ड मु कहूची पुरुष माने स्पेशली जब पब्लिक को जानते लोक कोने हां पुरुषटा आसिला किंतु जते एते यंग एज रे जने महिला टे पाद दिए एते बड़ दुनिया रे जोड़ा कि आपण कहले पॉलिटिक्स रो दुनिया नुहे किंतु हमर सोसाइटी पई सेटा गोटे पॉलिटिक्स रो दुनिया राजनीति रो क्षेत्र सेठी डर लागिलानी टिके पाद थोइला बेलकु जे मो सेठी निजो को फील हैला कि मो झियो पिल्लाटा मो जाई कि कोन करबी डिड यू फील लाइक दैट
I felt like this is it. This is a chance to change the mindset of the society. कि समस्त कौन थी राजनीति I would like to say that just like you said management is a 9 to 5 job. राजनीति is 24 hours job. And राजनीति रे भी झगड़ा हुए राजनीति रे भी कलीग्स थांती मो कलीग्स मो लोक माने मो कलीग्स मो सहित विधानसभा रे बसुतबा समस्त गुरुजन माने so I think it's very fun actually and it's very nice jete bele gote local for example if you are working in a company you give your 100% there you like it environment bhal lage ame 9 to 5 work pe jao colleagues सहित मस्ती करू मो job रे लोकन को पाई मु काम करे so it's a fun people who want to you know like be in the society जो माने लोक मानन को पाई काम करबा को चाहउचंती politics is just a stage politics is just a way to help people so I think it's very fun I really love it to be very honest I love listening to people I love listening to solving their problems so I think it's a very fun job so I'm not at all complaining I think I'm blessed to have this kind of opportunity to help people
absolutely दीपाली आ गोटे क्वेश्चन दे जनरेशंस थिला जते बेले महिला को घर बाहर को दिया जानो थिला पुरुष माने तो सपोर्ट करू नथले आमे गोटे जनरेशन रे वी आर वेरी लकी आमर जिते भी पुरुष मैंने अच्छा मामू हूँ भाई हूँ कका हूँ जी भी हूँ से बहुत बैकबोन भाई आम पाखे ठिया होती जदि आम किसी कहूँ आम कम करने चाहूँ से कहते आगे चलो वी आर देयर विथ यू तो आपंकर जो फेज थिला लो फेज ऑफ लाइफ से समय आम जिते भी टेलीविजन देखुलु आपण भाई आपण पाखे पाखे थे आपंकर से फेज रे आपणकर जिते राजनीति रे पाद देले जिते आपंकर पदयात्रा आरंभ होला से समय भी सो हाउ डू यू थिंक आजिका दिन में गोटे महिला को आगु को बढ़ा को सतरे पुरुषर से हाथ रही रोल केते रही
यू नो आई फील दैट जिते लोक कहती कि नारी रेस्पेक्ट नारी को आग धाड़ी को आने को आई फील लाइक these topics are not actually needed in society. We are already आगर अच्छु आम already आगर अच्छु जमती मु कहली the confidence that you get in yourself is enough to tell the society. And रहिला कथा जमती आपण कहले मो भाई when my father was alive मो भाई भी सेते बेले पढ़ी कि आस्तला लंदन रू he had an option कि ताको भी राजनीति रे आने पाको चाहतले but से सब बेले मते कहतले कि I treat you as my son. And he has you know like सब बेले से मत पाखरे रखुले he was like telling me एमती करवा कथा सेमती करवा कथा and जिते बेले बापा उनको देहांत थला मो भाई he was there with me like a father like any step I take I don't go without him even if I go to a meeting I'll be like no you be with me because he is my strength and in every female's life there may be कहीं भी पर्सन तांकर स्ट्रेंथ हो पारती कहा जीवन रे तांको भौणी कहा जीवन रे तांको बापा कहा जीवन रे तांको भाई एंड आई फील लाइक जो टॉपिक आमे उठाउछु कि नारी संरक्षण नारी को आग धाड़ीबा को आनिबा को एज अ पर्सन एज अ इंडिविजुअल फीमेल ओपिनियन मोर ओपिनियन अच्छी कि वी डोंट नीड ऑल दिस टैग्स वी आर ऑलरेडी अहेड खाली निज भितर कॉन्फिडेंट आनिबा कथा निजर वैल्यू जानिबा कथा कि आपणको वैल्यू कोन That's it.
अच्छा दीपाली अनेक थर कथबार्ता कहते जमी एवं भी कहले मो बापा मत पुओ भाया देखुले अनेक थर कथा आसे जे पुओ झील सामान होगी कम करवा दरकार कहीं सामान हवा कहीं झील पिला झील होगी कम कर कहीं पुओटे पुओ हो कम कर कहीं पुओर एग्जांपल दि जाए पुओ भड़िया ट्रीट करा जाए पुओ सहित कांधरे कांध मिसेब कहीं कह जाए
द थिंग इज दैट आम सोसाइटी रे एबे नहीं आगरू ए टॉपिक टा सबुबेले सोसाइटी को अना जाइछि कि झियो मान को पुओ भलिया ट्रीट करबा को झियो मान को पुओ भलिया रखंतु आगो को जेमति मु कहली नारी संरक्षण नारी रो इज्जत ए सब कथा सबुबेले लखा जाइछि बट आई फील दैट्स व्हाट आई सेड दैट आई फील लाइक दिस इज जस्ट अ थॉट प्रोसेस टू चेंज द सोसाइटी यू नीड टू चेंज विद इन योरसेल्फ निजे जिते माइंडसेट चेंज करिवो निज भितर जिते कॉन्फिडेंट आदिवो निजो को जिते वैल्यू रखिवो सेते ऑटोमेटिक संसार चेंज हो जाए जस्ट लाइक आई गेव एग्जांपल ऑफ माय लेट फादर एंड माय ब्रदर मो भाई एमती भी एग्जांपल लिखली मो बापा को रखिली मु सब बेले इंटरेस्टेड थी आगे को आसिया को मो बापा जिते मीटिंग को बाहर थे आई विल गेट रेडी एंड आई विल बी लाइक वेयर आर यू गोइंग आई विल आल्सो गो विथ यू जिते मो बापा मीटिंग को जाते आई विल बी लाइक why are you going to this meeting I'll also go with you he'll be like why are you so interested I said it's my mercy I'll go and I'll be with you you don't want or you want I'll go at least मु सीखी की आसीबी तो आई थिंक दैट चेंज इज विद इन योरसेल्फ तापर सोसाइटी अपने आप चेंज हो जिवो एंड इवन इफ चेंज भी न होले सोसाइटी आई डोंट थिंक इट मैटर्स बिकॉज इन द एंड कहती ना शेष पर्याय निज पाखरे रहो तो जिते परिवार आपण सांगे अच्छी निजर मनोबल सांगे अच्छी आई थिंक यू कैन बी द चेंज इन द सोसाइटी
दीपाली यू आर नॉट येट मैरिड तो तेणु करी मुझे जानी क्वेश्चन केते दूर ठीक हम स्टिल मैं पचार चाहे जो मैंने बाहा एक्सपीरियंस अलग जो मैंने बाहा हवा को जाऊँच से एक्सपीरियंस अलग सो व्हाट यू थिंक मैरिज गोटे लेडी रो लाइफ को केते चेंज करी दिए just because you don't have that experience सेटा मैं जानिबा को चाहूछु
being a young generation girl I think there are very beautiful women sitting here elder to me they must be knowing more about the marriage experiences but if I am wrong everybody can like समस्त कहि परिबे but more opinion रे marriage तब करिबा कथा जब आपन को लागिबो कि करिबा कथा first of all second of all marriage is not a bondage it's not something that will hold you back marriage is something that you get a partner who will encourage you to do things I would in the future I would love to have a husband in my life who will encourage me, who will say ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ phone କରିକି କହିବି I am very tired, I want to come back home, he will tell me ki what are you saying, you are tired, you work more. So marriage is something I think life रे husband ସବୁବେଳେ support system ପାଇଁ ରଖିବା, and it's vice versa. A woman should also encourage a male. So marriage is something, it's vice versa. ଦି ଜଣ को compatible ହେଇକି ଆଗକୁ ବଢିବ. You know, like they say that best couple is जे ନିଜକୁ एक दूसरा को जे आगକୁ बढ़ाନ୍ତି in every aspect of life. So marriage is that.
So wish you all the best for that.
really hope
ଏବେ
so.
you are a leader. କହିବାକୁ ଗଲେ you are a youth leader. ଏବେ ଏତେ କମ ବୟସରେ ନେତୃତ୍ୱ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି, କିନ୍ତୁ କୋଉଠି ନା କୋଉଠି ଆଜିକା ଦିନରେ ବି ମହିଳା ମାନଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଲିଡରशिप ନବାର ଭୟଟା ରହିଛି ବୋଲି ଫିଲ୍ ହେଉଛି କି? କାରଣ ଯେହେତୁ ଆପଣ ଜାଗା ଜାଗା ବୁଲୁଛନ୍ତି, ଓଡ଼ିଶାର କୋଣ ଅନୁକୋଣ ବୁଲୁଛନ୍ତି, ମହିଳାମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଇଣ୍ଟରାକ୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଦୁଃଖ ବୁଝୁଛନ୍ତି, ସୁଖ କଥା ହେଉଛନ୍ତି, କୋଉଠି କେବେ ଫିଲ୍ ହେଉଛି କି ଏବେ ବି ମହିଳାମାନଙ୍କୁ ନେତୃତ୍ୱ ନବାରେ କୋଉଠି ନା କୋଉଠି ଭୟ ଅଛି?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. एक्चुअली मु कहवाक चाहूँ जमी मैडम एवं कहते दैट ओडिशा इज द ओनली स्टेट जो जगह रे आपण गाँ को जानतु आपण यू गो इन एनी रूरल एरिया, women are so energetic there, they are so like when you see them you feel empowered more, you know. So whenever I go to a meeting they are very like more energetic than me also कि मैडम आपण मीटिंग को कहीं आसुनांती, आपण आसिलेनी. एंड मो पाख को झारसुगुड़ा रे इवन अन्य वेस्टर्न ओडिशा रे more female are coming to be more, you know, like with all the complaints, with the development work, with the individual work, तो semane besi asanti. So I think that generation has passed where women were setting back or something. Now the generation is there that everyone is coming out. Like as you know, our government has given a self-help group like a good संघ अच्छी जहाँ तेरे नारी मैंने निजे business करचंती, they are also running the family themselves. So I think it's very inspiring when you go to a village and you see a woman walking like that. It's very inspiring in fact. So I would like to answer this question by saying that the generation has passed. Now the generation is everybody is wants to come ahead. Everybody is saying आमको काहे की meeting को डाकिलोनी. They literally call
one more
themselves.
question, এটা controversial ହେଇ ପାରେ, but the point is ଯେତେବେଳେ टीवी रे ଆମେ न्यूज रे देखुचे ये लीडर हेले, ये एठी सरपंच हेले, ये एठी एमएलए हेले, ଯେତେବେଳେ ମହିଳା ମାନଙ୍କର ମୁହଁ ଆସେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଘରେ ବସିଥିବା ଲୋକଟେ टीवी ରେ ଦେଖୁଥିବ, ହଁ ମ ये କଣ କରିବ, ये ପାଇଲା या स्वामी काम करिवो या भाई काम करिवो, this comment comes, it is genuine, I know. आमे बहुत जन को हमें देखी छु टीवी रे, करेक्ट कहंती अच्छा अच्छा ये सरपंच ला, हाँ ये कौन काम करिवो, या भाई काम करिवो या स्वामी काम करिवो. So how do you take this comment?
You know, I take that comment like, look at me. They also gave a lot of comment on me everywhere. Trust me, in this society, I have also faced a lot of discrimination, But the only thing I say is, when I will start working, तांको मुह निजे बंद हो जिवो. And you won't believe in Jharsuguda also, the most of the number of the sarpanch and chairman are female, and they work more than the male people. Trust me when I say this. Like they literally take the authority and they say that, oh no, we have to work. And even in the municipality area, the more of the councillors are female, and they don't let their husbands speak. They're like, we will talk. Our MLA is a female, we will go and work with her. So this is the kind of mindset is going on. Yes, there will be people. Our समाज रे मैडम दी टाइप रा लोक थांती जे केते बेले एनकरेज करंती, and some of the percentage of the people will discourage you. It's actually depend on you that what, you know, like what will you take and go ahead. And for me, I don't watch news. I trust me when I don't watch it. I don't watch Facebook. I don't watch news. I don't listen to people what they say, because I know the moment I listen, I will hear something negative. So all I do is just मारी चलो, काम करी चलो, लोको काम देखी कि आपन को भलो पाइबो. Even if you are in a company, if you will do your best work, the management will appreciate you. No matter if you are a male or a female. If you are in the public life, you do the work for the people, people will appreciate you. People will love you and they will respect you.
जेहेतु women मानक पाई reservation रही छी, आजिकली women empowerment रो कथा उठुची, women मानक पाई बहुत कार्य करूची सरकार, तो केते जण भाबुचंती जे महिलाटा गली जल्दी काम हेइ छिबो. एटा भी रहुची ना, नहीं नहीं स्त्री लोक माने आगे जाओ काम हेइ छिबो. So ए जिंसटा भी थॉट प्रोसेस रे आसुची. Is it good or bad?
That is their insecurity. That is their insecurity, man. Because you see, the moment the male person said, "Tanku agu theli to jaldi kaam ho jiba," that means that he is insecure of himself and he is not confident. And you know, it's good that they are saying this because ଭଲ କି ଗୋଟେ ନାରୀ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀର କନଫିଡେନ୍ସ ବନିକି ତାର କାମଟା କରେଇ ଦଉଛି. ଇଫ୍ ଦେ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ହ୍ୟାଭ୍ ଦ ଗଟ୍ସ ଟୁ କମ୍ ହେଡ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡୁ ଦେୟାର ୱାର୍କ, ଆମେ କରୁ, ଅସୁବିଧା କ'ଣ ଅଛି?
ଲଭଲି. ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଆପଣ ଯେହେତୁ ସ୍ପେନ୍ରୁ ଥିଲେ, ସ୍ପାନିଶ କ୍ଲାସେସ୍ ଆପଣ ମାନେ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି, ତ ତେଣୁ କରିକି ଆମର ଅଡିଏନ୍ସକୁ ସ୍ପାନିଶରେ ଯଦି ଦି ଲାଇନରେ କିଛି ମେସେଜ ଦେବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବେ ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେଟ୍ କରିବା. ସୋ ଏଭରିବଡି ୱୁଡ୍ ଲଭ୍ ଟୁ ଲିସନ୍ ଟୁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍.
You know, like when I was learning Spanish, it's been 6-7 months that I'm here. So I would like to say 2-3 words. First of all, hola, ¿cómo estás? It's like hello everyone. Hello everyone, how's everyone? And second, I would like to say that, I mean, you can ask something to me and then I will translate.
Okay. Women are the best.
Novia muy mejor.
How?
I said the girls are the best.
Okay.
Mejor means best.
Best.
And girls means novia, like when you say girl or boy, you say like that. Or you can say mujer está muy mejor.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you is okay, wait. Gracias.
Gracias.
De nada. It's like, it's okay.
Thank you so much, Dipali.
Thank you. Lovely speaking to you. I think you are also an inspiration to everyone.
Oh, thank you
And
so
I would like to say that I was just speaking to ma'am over there, and this kind of programs, I think it should come up more to our society. This is a message, I think. And I really had so much fun speaking my heart out here.
Thank you so
much for having me.
Thank you, Dipali.